Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can optimize and increase the speed of your internet, whether Wi-Fi or internet speed, by refreshing the communication or the connection of your router to the server. Before I can proceed, kindly support this channel by subscribing to this channel and hitting the like button on this video. So let's begin. To begin, go and log into your router with your username and password. For you to be able to log into your router, you will need your router IP address, which is by default 192.168.1.1. You can easily find this at the back of your router. Take it and then enter this number into any browser. You should be able to connect your router. From here, you need also to enter the password and username, which should also by default be available at the back of your router. Once you are logged into your router, come to status. Here you can be able to get the network interface information, and these are the communications that are happening between your router and the server point of your internet service provider. For you to refreshen your network and enhance communication and data delivery and speed of your internet, simply click on refresh. Go ahead and open the other functions, any that is connected that you can see information like this. Just click refresh. When you refresh, you are simply initiating a fresh communication with your server, and therefore you get the optimum internet. Once you have done this, go to the user interface. Again, all these functionalities might differ from one router to another. So from here, go to user interface. This is also another important component of your router. Here you can see WLAN. WLAN is responsible for your Wi-Fi connection. This is the wireless radio status of your internet. So go ahead and hit refresh. At this point now, your Wi-Fi should be at the optimum speed. Now again, go to the Ethernet. Now these are the serving points that you have connected on your router. And as you can see, I have Ethernet port LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, and I have 4 of them on my internet that are in use. So I want to go ahead and refresh the communication of this router to the server of my internet service provider. So just go ahead and click on refresh. Now from here, now you have refreshed your internet connectivity, and therefore the speed, when you check, you should find that now the speed is up to par. It is faster, and as you can see, each port now is serving me up to this number of Mbps. In terms of internet speed, this is a very up-to-date status, and this is a fresh communication that can allow a lot of data to be transferred between my router and my internet service provider. So when you follow these steps, you should see an improvement in your internet speed on your end. It is quite important to do this to refresh your communication between your router and your internet service provider each and every time. Perhaps you can do it on a weekly basis or once after 3 days. And if you make a habit of doing this, refreshing your communication of your router to the server of your internet service provider, you will realize that your internet will always be optimum. If you have also USB connected devices that are connected to the internet, you can as well, that are using your wireless internet, you can as well refreshing them. On my case, I have nothing, and therefore I can do nothing about it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye bye.